The Forward Collision-Avoidance Assist system in your Genesis, or FCA, helps to provide an extra measure of safety when driving. A camera mounted on the windshield connects with a radar sensor in the lower grille to detect vehicles, pedestrians, or cyclists in the road ahead. To turn the system on or off, select Setup. Then select Vehicle. Then Driver Assistance. Then Forward Safety. Here you have options. You can choose Active Assist. FCA alerts you if a collision is likely and may apply the brakes if one is imminent. This braking is to help minimize a collision, and the driver still needs to apply the brakes themselves. If you select Warning Only, the system alerts you but does not apply the brakes. That is your responsibility. If you select Off, the system is deactivated. You'll notice that the FCA warning light in the instrument cluster is illuminated. If your vehicle is equipped with forward cross-traffic safety, you can also turn this feature on or off. Also, the electronic stability control system in your vehicle must be turned on for the FCA to operate. If the ESC is turned off, the ESC indicator will remain illuminated. Be sure to turn ESC back on, as Genesis recommends always driving with ESC on. If the FCA system detects a collision risk is high, it will provide the forward collision warning. It sounds an alarm, flashes a visual alert, and vibrates the steering wheel. The vehicle may decelerate moderately on its own during this alert, but it will not apply maximum braking if you have selected Warning Only. You must apply the brakes directly. If the system detects a collision is imminent and Active Assist has been selected, the emergency braking warning message may appear. The vehicle may apply brakes with the brake control maximized just before the collision to minimize the impact. FCA has other available functions, such as evasive steering and collision avoidance at road junctions and while changing lanes. For more information, see the Forward Collision-Avoidance Assist optional features video. FCA functions only operate at certain speeds. See your owner's manual for details. Forward Collision-Avoidance Assist and its available features do not operate in all situations and cannot avoid all collisions. FCA may not fully function when driving on a curving road, on a slope, while changing lanes, or in certain weather conditions. For a full list, see your owner's manual. Also, FCA may not recognize stationary vehicles. If you are approaching a stationary vehicle at the stop sign, the system may not recognize the vehicle until it begins moving. In addition, in certain instances and under certain driving conditions, the FCA system may produce a warning alarm and control the brake system unnecessarily. For a full list, see your owner's manual. Remember, you are the one driving your vehicle. The Forward Collision Avoidance Assist system can help, but safe driving is your responsibility. For more helpful information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel and mygenesis.com.